Rajiv Jain and GQG Partners, the man of the moment and the firm of the moment as far as the stock markets and India Inc. are concerned. And that's because GQG Partners, led by Rajiv Jain, has announced a blockbuster $1.87 billion investment in a series of secondary block trades across multiple listed firms of the Adani Group: Adani Ports and SEZ, Adani Green Energy, Adani Transmission, and Adani Enterprises, the flagship. Not surprisingly, the influx of confidence capital was cheered by D Street, and the Adani pack of stocks have been trading in the green. So, who exactly is Rajiv Jain, and what do we know about GQG Partners? Well, Rajiv Jain is the founder, chairman, and CIO of asset manager GQG Partners, which was established back in June 2016. GQG is headquartered in Florida. It's listed, interestingly, on the Australian Stock Exchange, and in a short time, it has grown to manage more than $92 billion in client assets. Yes, you heard that right. Barely 7 years. It is now seen as one of the world's leading global and emerging market investors. In fact, it was awarded the Morningstar Fund Manager of the Year for Global Equities for 2023. Its international portfolio includes the likes of Philip Morris International. What about India? Well, back home, it has bet on the likes of ITC, ICICI Bank, Sun Pharma, Infosys, and a few other blue chip players. Interestingly, this is what Jain says in a video on the firm's website. I quote, "I bought my first stock in high school and I've been managing other people's money for over 22-23 years." End quote. Prior to GQG, Rajiv served as the co-CEO and the Chief Investment Officer and Head of Equities at Wontable Asset Management, where he worked for nearly 22 years. Prior to that, he was an international equity analyst at Swiss Bank Corporation. Rajiv, who was born and raised in India, earned an MBA in Finance and International Business from the University of Miami. So, for all you people out there who are wondering, what's this man's investment mantra? Here's what it is. He says, "Our goal is quite simple: to compound our clients' capital over time. To do this, we need to protect assets in difficult markets and participate in rising markets. We have developed an investment approach that strives to do just that, based on a lens we call forward-looking quality." This concept, Jain says, ignores, in fact, the traditional investment constraints associated with growth and value. Instead, this approach focuses on investing in companies that Jain and his firm believe are going to be successful over the next 5 years and beyond. Let's take a closer look also at some of his other views. Now, in a February 2022 interview with the Financial Review, Jain had said, "Remember what Chuck Prince said in 2007, you have got to dance when the party is on. But our view is you can't wait till the music stops. You have got to make some preparations. Technology is no longer the growth spot. It's yesterday's growth spot." In fact, the article added that Jain is most bullish on the energy sector because of the underappreciated necessity of fossil fuels in the transition to a net zero economy. Now, with the Adani Group's pivot towards renewable energy and green hydrogen, guess GQG's mega block deals make perfect sense.